In order to convert or reload the sheet format of my drawings, I need to define some sheet format action profile. So the list of profiles that have been defined are listed here. So I can select profile. So here I have the drawings for each team. So in order to define a profile, I will now close the custom prints and open the custom options. Then activate the profile option tab and select the sheet format action here. So here on the top we have the list of profiles that have been defined already. So I click new to create a new one, and we can call it, for example, reload drawings logo, for example. So here I now have defined the profile, and then I can define a different set of action associated with that profile. So I just select the profile here and then I click on new. So as we can see here, we have two possibilities. So we can either choose to reload a sheet format or then to change the sheet format. So for example, if we choose to reload, so we can see that the source sheet format is active. So I just select the sheet format that I want to reload. So for example, if I take this S3L here, and then it's automatically here added here. With one profile, I am also able to add multiple sheet format actions. So for example, I can here once again reload new sheet formats. And here I can, for example, reload a different one. So for example, if I take the A4. So now the sheet formats are created. So now we have checked how we could create a profile that would reload an existing sheet format, for example, which is very useful if you have modified the logo or, for example, the title blocks used in your drawings. But then we'll create a new sheet format action that will convert, for example, to H team. So we'll assume that H team is our customer, and we have a specific we are using a specific sheet format for H team. So here I will now have H team, and then I can, for example, here select the change sheet format. So I will select the original one. So for example, here I can have the A2 landscape, and then I have decide that I will convert this A2 landscape to this A2 landscape H team. So for example, I assume here that I am using a specific sheet format for H team. Okay, and I can repeat this action to associate as many sheet formats action as I want. So if I click OK now here, so I now open the custom print. So we can select the drawings. So for example, here, if I want to convert those drawings here to send them to the customers, I can, for example, select here a profile that will convert, and then from the additional action I can select the profile that I have just created now. So we could select the drawings for H team, and now when I click OK, everything is just automated.